My name is Roberto Cosci. I'm a QA engineer. I have experience in the tech industry, in the IT industry, especially in software testing and the QA automation for the past 6+ years. And today, considering that also an AI enthusiast, really loving the world of the AI with all its pros and cons, I want to discuss about ChatGPT, considering that today is the 23rd of January. I want to specifically discuss about ChatGPT O1 and ChatGPT for with a general explanation on the differences I see and the competitiveness I see that ChatGPT has on all the other competitors to try understanding what is currently the best LLM out there. Personally, I have a Pro subscription, a ChatGPT Pro Plus, not the Pro, which is €20 per month, $20, if you are aware outside the European Union. Basically, ChatGPT, let's start saying that the new model O1 and O3 were the breakthrough models which had the best capabilities in terms of reasoning, coding, mathematics, and other parameters. Personally, I'm interested a lot in coding, mathematics, and reasoning, most of all, because of anything basically that is related to the can be useful for the testing, software testing, automation testing. And I must say that I was really impressed into about one at the point that I subscribed again to. Let's start saying that once you subscribe, if you open this window, then you will see all the different models that are available. And highlight is that we have ChatGPT 4.0 is up to date to 2024. I think it's October. I'm not sure, but it's not super up to date to January 2025, which is currently now. Uh, but a very important feature that you can find, especially in the in the model that has the most amount of feature, which is ChatGPT 4.0, is the possibility on searching the web, which will allow you to act searching exactly what you need, which is very useful actually. If you need to search something that is present in the web in a very good and accurate way with the correlated fonts. Then, if you click to this icon, you will see that there are different possibilities that this model can have. The possibility to generate images with picture, uh, the, again, the possibility to search the web with search, the possibility to use the reasoning, which is the pro of the O1 model, and the canvas. The canvas is actually more useful for coding purposes, and it is actually a very good competitive feature that I use a lot to create content, organize them, modify them, and interact and modify specific pieces of the code or the text that I need to prepare a specific presentation or um, to create a craft, a test, a text to be edited for whatever purpose you want on. Um, let's start with search, just to show you. Recently, also it has been added also the search through keywords, trending keywords, which is something that seems like coming from Google as inspiration. Let's say I want to search for LLM January 2025. This will be a search done to the web, so it will be current. And as you can see, the response is accurate. Currently, is OpenAI O3 and the DeepSeek R1, which is actually a very recent model from a Chinese company, which promised to be even outperforming the O1 model. But let's move on. The picture, for example, if I want to create a logo for software business, this will allow you to create an image with the DAL-E model, which you can download after. As you can see, you can download it, you can modify it, you can edit in Canva the text, I believe, and allow to output other, to make changes basically on the text that is part of this logo. And as you can see, I clicked on Canva to be here. This allow also me to modify the text, create the code HTML for the landing page that hosts this company logo. And then Canva, it will edit itself, will add the logo and give me a solution. And we will see what exactly is the power of this. What I personally found very interesting is that it allows you to edit the text that you create. It's unfortunate that seems buggy at this moment. Let's open a different one. Create a landing page for a software healthcare business. And it will allow to work with that feature. As you can see now it's opening. It will take some time. As you can see, this model has the peculiarity to give responses in a bit slower manner than DeepSeek currently does. Uh, than Sonnet, the new version 3.5 Sonnet, and Gemini. I would say that the feature is very good, but speed is not great. As you can see, I could modify the code here and make changes. The cons is that I can't see the code deployed and shown in visual way like Anthropic does currently, and other software like Lovable, Bot.new does, which would be very good, very great upgrade for OpenAI, considering the popularity to change the language to fix specific bugs. So it will scan the code and check for bugs. You can stop it, and to add logs to the code, to add comments to it, which is very useful anyway. It has a very good use voice mode, which allow you to talk seamlessly with AI, and we will demonstrate it. Hello, can you hear me? A cons of OpenAI often that I notice is that it's a little bit buggy, at least lately, and it's not working as I wish, but generally works. Probably is because I need to start a new chat. Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, yes, I can hear you clearly. How can I help you today?
Can you tell me the weather for tomorrow? Can you tell me the weather for
Tomorrow,
tomorrow?
where would you like to know the weather for?
Mola di Bari.
Tomorrow in Mola di Bari, expect sunny and pleasant weather, with temperatures around 16 degrees Celsius during the day and dropping to about 8 degrees Celsius at night.
This it tells us that with this model it access also on internet, which is great. Uh, the model one is more intelligent um, than for all, which I will not show right now. But it is the benefit is that there is a reasoning model which can respond in a much more intelligent way than for all does. Is at the moment I believe the best model. I tried personally DeepSeek, which is fantastic. I still believe that OpenAI for the code related tasks is still the best model to use because it responds in a more coherent way. But considering that the API, if you want to buy the API, the cost of the token is basically 27 times higher than DeepSeek, and consider that the reasoning of this DeepSeek is comparable to O1, I would definitely use advice to use DeepSeek API in context of the responses are limited, very limited, and that is a cons while DeepSeek has much more, it can respond way more times and is open source. This was an overall overview of the new the ChatGPT and the comparison with some few of the best models that I believe are currently available. Not mentioning, it is worth to note also that ChatGPT Gemini is becoming actually a very good competitor to keep an eye on, especially for the different features that they built on top of the Google Gemini 2.0 experimental version. The notebook LLM and the Google AI are really very interesting feature, which I will talk about in a different video. Hope this was interesting so far. If the video was interesting, please subscribe to the channel and like, comment the video. See you in the next video.